In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use fonts you find on Behance, whether you want to download them, install them, or ensure you're using them legally. Let's dive right in and unravel this process step by step, starting with finding and downloading fonts on Behance. First, explore Behance by searching for fonts that catch your eye. You can use keywords like free fonts or typography, or even consider more specific styles you're interested in. Once you land on a font project that sparks your interest, take a moment to read through the details provided by the designer. Often, they'll include a download link within the project description, marked with terms such as "download here" or "free for personal use." Always double-check that you're clicking legitimate download links, as they ensure you're getting the authentic files. Next, it's crucial to understand the licensing details for the font you wish to use. This step cannot be overlooked. Read the project description attentively or any accompanying license notice. It will inform you whether the font is free for personal use, available for commercial purposes, or requires payment. Many designers explicitly state these terms to guide your proper usage. Once you're all set with the licensing information, proceed to download the font files. Typically, these come as zipped files, so you'll need to unzip them to access the actual font files, usually in .ttf or .otf formats. Now that you have the files ready, let's move on to installing them on your device. If you're using a Windows computer, simply right-click the .ttf or .otf file and select Install. Alternatively, you could double-click the file and choose Install from the window that appears. For macOS users, the process is equally straightforward. Double-click the font file and you'll see a preview window. In this window, click on Install Font. Your operating system will then handle the rest by adding the new font to your system's font directory. This means you'll soon see the font available in applications like Adobe Creative Suite, Microsoft Office, and others. With the installation complete, it's time to enhance your projects with your new font discovery. Open up your preferred design or writing software, whether that's Photoshop, Illustrator, or even Word. Navigate to the font list, and you should find your freshly installed font listed alongside your system's default fonts. For those using online design platforms such as Canva, you can often upload your new font directly through features like the Brand Kit, though keep in mind that a paid account might be necessary for this feature. Finally, let's touch on licensing and legal considerations. Once again, respecting the specified license is key. If a font is labeled for personal use only, it's perfectly okay to include it in personal portfolio projects or on platforms like Behance. However, refrain from using it in any commercial capacity unless you've obtained the proper license. The license should clearly outline what is considered personal or commercial use, so always ensure you're compliant. If ever in doubt, don't hesitate to reach out to the designer for any clarifications. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to find, download, install, and responsibly use fonts from Behance. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.